And here we have the dreaded post bunker. About half a ton of concrete with a load of reinforcing, all welded onto that old gas bottle. And if you're going to do the same thing, which I strongly recommend, just make sure the gas bottle is completely empty and full of water before you try cutting it with a disc cutter, because it's like really dangerous. You'll probably end up sitting on the moon or something. So right, I'll show you how it works.
I'd have thought so. Won't have a gate post soon.
We'll replace the old hinges, nothing the matter with them, they'll go again. These are nice little screws with the old Torx 30 driver in them. It drives into that acacia, really nice. Look at that. That ain't going anywhere. If that comes loose, I shall have to come and drill some more holes where the slats come, but yeah, probably stay there all right. Moment of truth.
Yeah, it is.
Moment of truth. Will it open? Look at that. Perfect. I don't know how we managed to do it. Look. Now we've got to pull the other side up, get it out of the way, put another post in for it to close to. I've made it a bit wider so I can get through with the mower, because we've got a bigger mower since I made the old gate, which is normal, isn't it? Now we've got to put the closing post in. I don't want the gate to be able to swing like that and stress the hinges, because it will just keep bending it and mess it up. So if the post actually stops it swinging through, and then we'll sort something out here for the bolt to close it with. So Sarah, if you could just hold that post there while I tap it in with the digger. Who needs a sledgehammer when you got one of these? It's a very trusting wife I got. Oh, it's on a rock. Still on a rock. perhaps there's more than one rock. The culprit. Okay, sir, I suppose it's not going to be deep enough now. Can you put it back in there? Or do you want me to do it? Oh, well, to your left. Oh, she's found more rocks. What do you like? Very good. Just put it upright a little bit over to your left, a bit at the top. Yeah, ideal. Mind your fingers. I think that one a bit better. Try that. Now put the gate to it. Not a bad one to go over the line. A little bit that way. Ah, that should do it. Beaut. That's right, I'll push it this way a bit. We'll put some of them old rocks back where they belong all around that, and that'll be fine. There's the post in, we've levelled it up. I've cut a little piece of this same sort of wood we used on here, bit of old rafter, just to put on there. So it levels up, and then we can put a closure on that. Technical looking bit of stuff, isn't that? And there's the finished article. Isn't that a masterpiece? There you go. Opens and closes. Lock works. You stay, cockerel. Does a little thing like that really need a big gate like that? That's for horses as well. And it's for my mower to fit through. So there you go. Another job. It's going to do something else. Give us a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget, thumbs up. Subscribe. Great. See you later. Bye for now.